that held meetings.
会自己开会的冰箱。
One night, Xiaohe felt hungry and quietly walked into the kitchen.
有一天，小华半夜肚子饿，悄悄走到厨房。
One night, Xiaohe felt hungry and quietly walked into the kitchen. He carefully opened the fridge.
他小心翼翼地打开冰箱。
He carefully opened the fridge. As the fridge light turned on, a voice suddenly came from inside.
冰箱灯一亮，里面突然传来声音。
As the fridge light turned on, a voice suddenly came from inside. The fridge said, "Please wait, we are having a meeting."
冰箱说：“请稍等，我们正在开会。”
The fridge said, "Please wait, we are having a meeting." Xiaohe froze in surprise.
小华整个人愣住了。
Xiaohe froze in surprise. He whispered, "What kind of meeting?"
他小声问：“开什么会？”
He whispered, "What kind of meeting?" The milk inside the fridge cleared its throat.
冰箱里的牛奶清了清喉咙。
The milk inside the fridge cleared its throat. The milk said, "We are discussing whether you should lose weight."
牛奶说：“讨论你到底要不要减肥。”
The milk said, "We are discussing whether you should lose weight." The bacon immediately raised its hand to speak.
培根立刻举手发言。
The bacon immediately raised its hand to speak. The bacon said, "I don't think he will."
培根说：“我觉得他不会。”
The bacon said, "I don't think he will." Ice cubes in the freezer banged on the table loudly.
冷冻库的冰块用力敲桌子。
Ice cubes in the freezer banged on the table loudly. The ice cubes shouted, "Quiet, let's vote now."
冰块大喊：“安静，现在进行投票表决。”
The ice cubes shouted, "Quiet, let's vote now." All the food inside the fridge nodded together.
冰箱里的食物们纷纷点头。
All the food inside the fridge nodded together. The fridge seriously announced the result.
冰箱严肃宣布结果。
The fridge seriously announced the result. The fridge said, "Decision approved. You will still eat a midnight snack."
冰箱说：“一致通过，你还是会吃宵夜。”
The fridge said, "Decision approved. You will still eat a midnight snack." Xiaohe sighed and took a piece of cake.
小华叹了一口气，拿走一块蛋糕。
Xiaohe sighed and took a piece of cake. Suddenly, the fridge shouted even louder.
冰箱突然提高音量大喊。
Suddenly, the fridge shouted even louder. The fridge said, "Wait, at least take some fruit."
冰箱说：“等等，你至少拿个水果。”
The fridge said, "Wait, at least take some fruit." The fridge added, "That way, our conscience feels better."
冰箱补充：“这样我们良心比较过得去。”
The fridge added, "That way, our conscience feels better." Xiaohe thought about it and felt it made sense.
小华想了想，觉得有道理。
Xiaohe thought about it and felt it made sense. So he took an extra apple.
于是他又多拿了一颗苹果。
So he took an extra apple. The fridge slowly closed its door with satisfaction.
冰箱满意的慢慢关上门。
The fridge slowly closed its door with satisfaction. The fridge said, "Good. This is called a balanced diet."
冰箱说：“很好，这叫营养均衡。”
The fridge said, "Good. This is called a balanced diet." The next day, Xiaohe decided never to open the fridge at midnight again.
隔天，小华决定再也不半夜开冰箱。
The next day, Xiaohe decided never to open the fridge at midnight again, because he didn't want to be taught a lesson by home appliances anymore.
因为他不想再被家电教育了。
Because he didn't want to be taught a lesson by home appliances anymore.